So let's start with basically technology. When I say technology, what do you think of?
Computers.
Yeah, computers, definitely. And then I start thinking of the things that kind of like branch off that, like cell phones, iPods. Yeah.
Right. Yeah, I just think mainly computers when I think technology. I don't know why. It just pops into my head really fast.
Technology is becoming, and technology is the future. So we really need to look into how we can adapt to the new generation of technology in the classroom.
How much time do you spend at home on your computer, your phone, your how much technology time do you spend at home?
Daily, 3 hours.
Okay. Everybody about the same?
3, 4.
Daily for me, probably 3 or 4 hours.
I guess texting has replaced phone conversations with friends. Maybe once in a while, if you have some important thing to talk about, then I guess you'd call them up. But usually just texting and Facebooking.
Probably right where I'm at, maybe an hour or so a day.
Yeah, I would say I'm on it for an hour. I don't say I use it for an hour. But
Feels like too much time.
It does?
Yeah.
What do you use it for?
Just connecting with friends that I don't necessarily see.
Educationally, I also use them for, I guess, homework assignments. If once in a while we have something complicated, I look up, like, quantum physics is a difficult subject to understand. I've been looking into that, and YouTube videos really help, I guess, simplify stuff.
So in our school, the primary source of technology is just computers. We're not allowed to use cell phones, iPads, and when we are using computers, we're not allowed to use the internet because in a given week, I probably only use a half hour of technology in school, other than computers class, which we use it every day, but that's only it.
Teachers use Moodle. Have you heard of Moodle?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty neat because I know some of my teachers put online quizzes there, but they also put notes for the class. You can sign on to Moodle and check like notes and learn how to do something if you're absent in class. So that's
There are some classes that I think teachers don't use technology to the full extent. They're kind of old school in the way that they like just typing something up, printing it, and handing it out rather than making it more interactive for our age group, which is becoming more technologically advanced.
Technology is also more stimulating to students. It's not sitting in a dark classroom looking at slideshows on the overhead. It's interacting and doing stuff, hands-on instead of looking.
Probably a really interactive, almost like a smart board type main board, and then sort of a network is like when you got in, almost all the students were connected maybe. You could take notes, and on those notes, like it's much easier to do it on a computer, highlight something and change it colors than get a highlighter and highlight what you want. It's sort of just, and it looks nicer, it's much cleaner, and have a way that all the students could react like verbally, but at the same time on the computer with the teacher, and maybe complete sentences that way. Also save paper and be green. That'd be my ideal classroom.
I would agree with that, and like he was saying,
We could use technology more in our school. It would really help us learn.
I think I'd make things more accessible. Like I would, sometimes like laptop cards are hard to get, and there's lots of activities you can do on laptops. So I would make more. I don't know, like put more in a classroom or make them easier for teachers to get a hold of.
Providing more cards.
Right.
I think that those smart boards are really, really cool. So I think I'd put those up. And
different kids learn different ways. I mean, we all know that. There's kinesthetic learners and there's visual learners and all these. And I think we need to incorporate all learning styles into a classroom. As far as technology, that might be like him and I. We want computers on our desk and we can take notes that way.
I say technology's good and teachers should take advantage of it. I mean, not completely depend on it, but it definitely helps in the classroom.